Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and welcome to day 26 of my 30 Days of Refashions. Before we start, I have a question for you. Do you have something from your childhood memories, like an article of clothing that you so wanted, but for whatever reason you were never allowed to have? I do. I definitely do. And that is what we're going to be refashioning today. For me, it was anything from bootlegger. And if you don't know what that is, here's what that is. Does anybody else remember bootlegger from the 80s? It was like you had to have something for bootlegger, but I was never allowed to. And to this day, I don't understand why. Anyway, very long story short, last year, I managed to score a bootlegger jean jacket for only $1. And it has sat in my stash ever since. And today, we are finally going to upsize it because of course it didn't fit me. Of course it was way too tight on me. So you want to grab your jacket, grab some scrap fabric, and upsize a jacket with me today. For this quick and easy project, all you need is your too tight jacket and something for the upsizing panels. I found these chopped jean legs in my stash, and I am 100% sure these are the ones that were originally on my wonderful patchwork cutoffs that I wear like every single summer, and I'll link that tutorial down below for you. But look at this. These have awesome trim on the bottom hem, and that is because these are the jeans that I shortened for one of the groovy tutorials in my Refashioning 101 book. This, of course, is the print version that you can get on Amazon, but look, there it is. There they are. And I did actually wear them for quite a long time, but now these that have been in my stash for however long are going to get a new life as the upsizing panels so I can wear my oh so coveted bootlegger jackets. And if you want to get the awesome ebook version of this, the link will be down below. And if you prefer to get the print version, then the link will be down below for that too. So I have my jean jacket inside out, and I'm simply going to cut out the side seams here from the bottom hem all the way up through the sleeve cuff, because these sleeve cuffs are very, very tight once the button is done up. Like, I can get it on and everything, but it's just uncomfortable. I do usually remove the sleeve cuffs and then put them back on, but in this case, these need upsizing as well. So it's all going to get a chop through on both sides. So in the exact same way that I created the panels for my jumpsuit just a couple of tutorials ago, I'm going to do the same with these denim legs here. And of course, I have already cut off those lovely hems because they're going to go in my stash and I'm going to use them in a future project. But now it's time to cut these to size. And as always, just eyeball it. Or if you want to, of course, you can do proper measurements and everything. And this video is sponsored by you and the word of the video, because when you type it in a comment below, that tells the algorithm to share this with a wider audience, which then encourages more people to use what they have to make what they want. And of course, the word for this video is bootlegger, yeah! And just like I did with the jumpsuit insert panels, I have hemmed up one of the raw edges here, and I'm going to start this one at the cuff. And as always, pop those, right sides together. And then simply go and stitch it all the way down through that bottom hem. And then, of course, this is a bit too long here, so at the end, I'll just figure out to chop and hem it all up. But that's it, just inserting those side panels. And let's go do that on every raw edge. and my panels are successfully in the jacket. And once again, I did use my pinking shears to trim off the excess and help prevent any future fraying situations. So now all I have to do is trim off this excess and hem up the bottom, and then we can try it on and style it up. Little Gen X Sheri in here is definitely pleased as punch to finally have a bootlegger something. And it looks absolutely awesome with my also upsized Jordache jeans that I coveted when I was a youngster as well, but were never allowed to have. So now I have my own bootlegger and Jordache combo outfit that I can proudly wear and say, yes, I refashioned this from authentic 80s garments. So I do want to know, let me know, do you do this? Do you ever see something in your own closet or, of course, at the thrift shop and go, I so remember that. And you look at it and you, but it's not going to fit. Now you can make it fit. You see that. Go to my upsizing playlist on my channel. The link will be down below. And if you missed any of my 30 days of refashion so far, that playlist will be down below for you too. And of course, you need to subscribe so you can stop missing my tutorials and turn on notifications. So, you know, you get the notification saying Refashionista Sheri's posting something. Go watch it. Go make it. And you can use what you have to make what you want with me pretty much every day if you want to. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.